Welcome to solverfy.
So for this first problem, we are given an equation for an epidemic, and we see we have a function that shows the number of people who will be affected. Now we want to figure out how many are going to have the disease after 10 days and after 30 days. Since t represents days, to figure out 10 days, we're just going to take t and plug it in for 10. So we're going to get that f of t is equal to 200 times 10 to the third power minus 20 times 10 squared, and we'll get that after 10 days, 198,000 people are going to have caught the disease. Now to do the next one, after 30 days, we're going to do the same thing except t is now going to be 30. So then to figure out the number of people affected, we're doing 200 times 30 to the third power minus 20 times 30 squared. And if we plug that into our calculator, we're going to get 5,382,000 people who are affected by the disease. Now for part B, we're given a function, r equals negative 4x squared plus 118x, and we want to figure out how to earn a revenue of $850. We want to figure out the maximum for this problem, and to figure out the maximum we need to take the derivative and set it equal to 0. So to take the derivative, we're going to do negative 4 times 2 to get negative 8x, and then subtract 1 from our exponent. We just have negative 8x. This is really an imaginary 1, so that gets multiplied here, 118, and then x to the 0 is just 1. So now we're going to take this function and set it equal to 0. That should be 118, sorry. If we subtract the 118 over, we're going to get negative 8x is equal to negative 118, and then divide both sides by negative 8, and we're going to get that x is equal to 14.75, except we're talking about hearing aids, and it says to round to the nearest whole number, so that would be 15 hearing aids. Now we want to figure out the maximum revenue. So to do that, we need to take 15 and plug it in. So we get negative 4 times 15 plus 118 times 15, and we're going to get 1,710.